it's going out to you cause you declined me and you rejected me. You ready, girls?